Hello and welcome to this video on multiplying large numbers using the grid method. So in this first example we are going to do 41 times by 25. The first thing we need to do is partition these numbers. Basically that means splitting it up into what they're made out of. So 41 becomes 40 and 1 and 25 becomes 20 and 5. We then need to set up our grid, so I'm going to go down and across to make up the parts of the grid. I'm going to put in my numbers. So 41 is going to go down this side, 40 and 1, and then 25 is going to go here, 20 and 5. A good tip for your exam is use a lot of space doing this, so you've got a lot of space to work with. Another important note is that as long as 25 stays together and 41 stays together, these two can swap sides. So you could have 41 and 25. I've just done it this way. It doesn't matter either way. So I'm then going to fill out the centre parts of my grid. The easiest way to do it is to multiply the single numbers first and add your zeros on later. So if I'm doing 20 times 40, I can do 2 times 4, which is 8, and then I've got two zeros, one from here and one from here, so I can add those on. 0, 0, so that becomes 800. 5 times 40, well 5 times 4 is 20, and then I've got an extra 0 here that I need to add on, so that becomes 200. Next one, 20 times 1, I can just do really easy, which is just 20, and then 1 times 5 is 5. Then all you need to do is add up these parts of the grid, the blue parts. So a good tip in your exam, you'll get plain paper, is use emphasised gaps. So can you see how I've left big gaps here and here? If you use big gaps, then you can line up your numbers really easy and not make any mistakes. 200. 20 and 5. So I'm going to add these up. 0 add 0 add 0 add 5 is 5. 0 add 0 add 2 is 2. And 8 add 2 is 10. So my answer is 1025. So you're now in a great position to have a go at the over to you section and the problem solving section of your booklets. The first 10 questions have all got grids set up. The first 5 questions are all 2-digit numbers times by 2-digit numbers. And the 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 are 3-digit numbers times by 2-digit numbers, just to get used to those. And then over on the right hand side of the page are a bunch of questions that haven't got the grids printed out for them. In the problems question, you'll have to make up your own problems from the words. So for example, in the first one, there are 15 biscuits in a packet. A shop orders 156 packets. How many biscuits will there be in 156 packets? The sum you're going to have to do is 15 times by 156. So you need to make that 15 times by 156, draw out the grid, do the multiplication, add them all up to get your answer. If you need any help or you get confused, please don't hesitate to contact your maths teacher or post it onto the Academy wall. Thank you.